Hi everyone, I'm Local 10's Chief Meteorologist Betty Davis. We're heading into another very cold night. Frost advisory in effect for inland Broward and inland Miami-Dade. Wind chill advisory, by the way, for Broward. So between 3 and 9 o'clock in the morning, it's going to feel as though temperatures are in the low to mid 30s. Be prepared for the chill as it hangs tough into Friday. Forecasting a low of 41 in Miami. There could be some areas that start tomorrow or go as low as the upper 30s. High temperatures are forecast to reach the low 60s. It's 50 for a low on Saturday, a high of 69, and mid-50s to start the day on Sunday, a high of 73 degrees. So the second week of January, that's when temperatures start to moderate. In the meantime, bundle up and take care as we endure another cold night across South Florida.